This PDF tool is going to save you so much of time. If you use Slack at work, I'm sure you would have dealt with a lot of documents. But what if you could chat with them right in Slack? Pero is an app which enables you to do that. Here's a resume of a candidate that wants to interview at Spur. But rather than doing that myself, I'll just ask Pero to prepare a coding interview. It reads, understands the PDF, and then answers based on that context. As we can see, it's understanding all the skills that this candidate has highlighted, and then I can use these to even make Pero prepare that questionnaire. This is just amazing. It's my favorite feature. Learn from books. So here I'm trying to understand the guidelines from this design book and just ask what it thinks about white spacing. The guidelines on white spacing suggest that you start with too much white space and remove it until you're happy with the result. The great thing here is all these guidelines are directly extracted from the book without me reading it, and I can even challenge it on these questions and let's see if dense UIs are good or not. Amazing. But if you actually go ahead and read this book, you'll realize both of these texts are actually mentioned there. Rather than going through this whole book, Pero just did it for me. Amazing. You can also do this with your company docs, your values, your policies, and whatnot. Data extraction is one of the most laziest things I do with Pero. So I'm sure all of us would have dealt with invoices at some point in our lives. Can you just extract the bank account details I want to make the payment to? Amazing. This is quite an ugly PDF to go through to get that. You can also summarize big PDF files. So in this doc, the client just shared a whole PDF or what all they wanted. And the only thing I want is what all have they requested. Just write it down for me. Lovely. So now I know what to make. Isn't that great? The great thing here is that we can collaborate with AI as a team here. Not only I can write follow-on prompts, but my teammates can as well. Not only I am learning, but the whole organization is. Forgot to record a thank you video. Anyways, thanks for watching, and to learn more, just follow Learn with Pero.